Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install the Riot mobile application on your Android device. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Riot and search. Look for the Riot mobile application from Riot Games Inc. and tap on Install. Wait for the app to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the app is installed, tap on the play button and you have successfully downloaded the Riot mobile application on your Android device. Now you can go ahead and sign into your existing account or create a new account for Riot. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.